Hey guys, I'm back today with 3 cards for you today. I'm using products from the Tea Room Suite. I'm using some Tea Room copper vinyl stickers. You get 4 sheets, and I'll show you, obviously, there are 2 designs, so you get 2 of the same sheet. So there's one of them, and here's the other one. Really pretty, really thick stickers that would really look great on your cards. This is a doily pack. I don't have the name of this pack in front of me, but it will be linked below. But the colors coordinate perfectly with what I'm going to be using today with this suite. And the other side is white, so you can always use white if needed. This is the Tea Room Ribbon Combo Pack, and oh my gosh, that ribbon is so pretty. So here's the Tea Room Memories and More card pack. I do not have the suite. The suite has stamp set, die set, DSP, a little copper tea tin. I mean, really, really pretty suite that now after working with the Memories and More pack, I'm tempted to purchase the suite, so I may. But here are the sheets that come with the Memories and More pack. Now you can make cards out of this. If you do scrapbooking, this is great as well. So some of them are double-sided, others are not. Here are some acetate pieces, and then some pieces that have foiling. And then some sticker pieces or laser cut elements that punch out. So you get 2 sheets each of those, which are great for your sentiments or embellishments. So here's the Tea Room Suite, a picture of it. I will link it below anyway if you want to see everything that comes, that comes in the suite. Very pretty, soft color suite. It's nice to have something that's tea themed and not coffee. So since I do not have the suite, I do not have sentiments. Or a stamp set. So I'm bringing in various stamp sets to use sentiments from those. So the first one, I stamped out thank you, and I'm taking this piece up, and all the card panels I use are from the Memories and More pack. So here I'm taking that gorgeous ribbon and tying it around. That ribbon is my ultimate favorite. The picture doesn't do it justice. It's so pretty. So here I've taken a smaller panel, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere that down. The larger panel is a little bit bigger than an A2 size card base, than an A2 size card, so I trimmed off a little bit. Using glue dots to attach my doily, and then I'll go ahead and attach the sentiment. And then I do use I do tie a bow here, but I do use one of the butterfly stickers to attach that as an embellishment. The butterflies are so pretty, and you guys have to stay tuned. I will have a haul video coming soon of new products that are in the occasions and celebration catalog for January, and one of them is this gorgeous butterfly paper. So stay tuned for that. That will be coming in the next couple days. It's my favorite. I saw that and it's like, yes, I must have all the paper. And so here I'm adding the butterfly, and then that will complete this first card. The next card, and there's the stamp set I'll be using for the sentiment. I will be stamping Happy Birthday on this tag. And then I go ahead and take one of those foil copper, is that what it's called? Copper vinyl stickers. So they're vinyl, so they're very thick. And I go ahead and just take that little scallop sticker and put it on the edge of this piece. I love this color so much. I think it's Grapefruit Grove. I could be wrong, but it's gorgeous. And I take this striped panel, go ahead and adhere it to a very vanilla cardstock card base. Go ahead and attach my sentiment. This is actually, out of the 4, this was one of my favorites. This little foil sticker I thought would make a nice embellishment piece underneath the sentiment. And then I cut this butterfly out of one of the little panels. And I go ahead and pop that up. And then I add a bow because that ribbon, again, is gorgeous. And that completes that card. Again, one of my favorites. This is also another one of my favorites. I take the ribbon and go ahead, the blue ribbon, and go ahead and wrap it around a couple times, my card panel. And then I'm using Fresh Fig cardstock. Attach that down. And then I've already taken a panel and attached a smaller of the card pack and attached that to a Fresh Fig piece. And then I pop that up and attach that down to my card base. Go ahead and stamp out my sentiment, a note of thanks. And this one I actually stamp out straight, which was great. The other two were a little bit crooked. And then I cut a doily down, one of the blue doilies. And I just tuck it under the sentiment like that. And then I go ahead and pop that up and adhere that down. And then I'm going to take that beautiful blue butterfly. I think this is Bermuda Bay. I made these several days ago, so I put all my colors away. And this is a laser cut butterfly, so it just pops out. And I lifted up the wings a little bit, just to give it a little bit of interest and dimension. If I were to mail this, they would probably flatten, but for the sake of the video, they're lifted and they look gorgeous. I'm taking Wink of Stella here and just inking up, marking up the blue areas of the butterfly to give it some sparkle. It's very subtle, very pretty. And then that completes that card. For the final card, I wanted to use this leaf image panel from the Memories and More card pack. And I took a circle stitched die, cut out a piece of cardstock, stamped Thinking of You, and then I took one of the green doilies and adhered it to my sentiment piece, and then I added some Stampin' Dimensionals to pop up. This may be Old Olive. I'm horrible. So then I really like these bee stickers, so I do add 3 of them around the card. I thought it went well with the leaf images. And then once I do that, that will complete that card. This card's really simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll take a second look at the Memories and More card packs that are in the annual catalog. Sometimes those get overlooked, especially if you don't do things such as scrapbooking and memory keeping and that type of thing. I will link to the Tea Suite, like I said, as well as to the Memories and More card pack. It'll be on that same link, but I'll link it separately as well. So take a look if you're interested. If you don't have a demonstrator, I would appreciate your business. There is a hostess code below, so if you would like to place an order, please use that hostess code. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.